Good morning everybody, and welcome to the YouTube channel, Joe Power 3D. This is all about Proof of Weekends 3D, nothing else. We're going to try and make some videos that not many others are doing, not just videos about what P3D is. There's plenty of those out there and they're all really good. So this one is purely about how to mine this new Just token. Kind of nothing to do with P3D whatsoever, but it's a genius idea that devs have come up with. All we need to do now, everybody's got it, we just need to update etherscan with a program which will then tell those wallets, those Ethereum wallets, that to look up for the Just Power token, and it will turn up in their wallet, and I'll never be able to get rid of it. Genius. So we're going to be using Mr.Victorius's setup options here. Thank you, Mr.Victorius. Pretty good. I think these were pinned in the main Discord yesterday anyway. If they're not, I'm going to put them below the video, so if you want to follow through that way, that'll be fine. That's probably your best bet. There's one option on here where we just need to add one section in, so I'll add the section in on the YouTube channel below, so it'll look slightly different than what this one is here. So first protocol, we need to click on the download source zip file from GitHub. Says spoopy, yep, we want to download it. So this is the source code zip. Quite simple, click on that one, get that one downloaded. That's down here. You need to extract this file to a new destination. So I've already got a new destination on mine. I'm going to extract all. No, I don't need the downloads, so I'm just going to cut that and go to my documents, and go to Just, and paste that in here. Just minor 1.0, simple. So we downloaded the source code so far. Go back to the setup page and install the Git from Git SCM. This is all completely fine. These apps are things that people downloaded dozens of times before. Choose platform, so I'm going for Windows. This one's going to start downloading here. I'm also going to, in the meantime, go to the nodes.js file. This one here, number 3. Go for it. And download this at the same time. Translate the bloody page. Windows installer. See, so here it says version 8.11.1. This is the version that you want, 8.11.1. There is actually another version in here. So make sure it takes you to this page, but so long as you're using the links below, you should go straight to that page, so you're fine. Wait for these two to download. So we've already extracted the source code folder, it's where we were wanted. So I've made a Just file in my documents folder. I've got to download, I'm downloading the Git file and the node file. Once I've downloaded those, they've got to install. So I've got to wait for those to install. Looks like this one is close. If it wakes up. Alive, yeah. Come on. There we go. So we're going to open the node file first because it's already downloaded. Right. Now I've clicked on it 4 times. I've got 4 windows, that's always good. Let's just cancel through a couple of these just to get me back down to 1 window because I'm impatient. So I told Mr.Victorius. Right, so setup wizard for node.js. Accept these terms. This should install pretty quickly. Just bounce your way through, install. You need to be an administrator to install this app. Same for the Git file. And you're going to have to be in administrator mode for the command program. So just to reiterate, the just token is purely an advertisement, a bit of a laugh that the genius devs on the P3D team are having. They've just found a loophole in the Ethereum contract which allows you to basically spam every active Ethereum wallet on the blockchain, which is completely genius. It will be copied pretty quickly. If we can get this on people's wallets, imagine how much reach is going to get. People start talking about who did it. Hopefully they'll find their way to P3D. That's the idea anyway. But yeah, it will be copied pretty quickly. You'll get a few spam tokens in your MetaMask wallet before long, no doubt, and then they'll find a way to close that loophole. But it's genius that we've got a development team that can lead the way really and find things like that, because you think of how many people are working on the Ethereum blockchain day by day, and we've managed to bag the people that can abuse it, which can only be a good thing. So wait for this to download. In the meantime, we can go to the Git file and do the same. Yes, I do. Okay, she's going to crop up here. Okay, the Git file download is a load of not a load of crap. It's a load of jargon, I should say, that I'm not going to lie to understand. But I think it's mostly just for programmers, developers, coders. The only additional icon I've put is just one on the desktop. Keep everything else the same. Call it Git. Use Vim. Just literally punch your way all the way through. Don't change anything and download. Okay. Wonderful. Basically, if you can see down here, if you can quite see it, but it says completed the node.js setup, and the only option it's given me is finish. So I have finished the node setup, but you'll get the screen in the middle here, and you'll get a little finish icon to do it. For some reason, it's being a pig. So we downloaded the zip file. We've extracted the source code to a folder of our choosing. We've installed the node.js file at this link here. Obviously, whatever platform you're on. We've installed the Git file from this download link here. So, right, we don't want to view the release note, we don't need to launch it. So just finish that, done. So next one. This is where it gets confusing with Mr.Victorius's, well, I don't say confusing, but this is the only part of the setup which I didn't get. I think we know why, hopefully. Try it on your end, let me know your results and see if it works the same. So where it says right click anywhere in the folder, white parts, I'll go to here, my just file. So we're talking about this file here. So you would have downloaded this and extracted the folder into whatever location you wanted. Then you'll need to click into the folder and you'll have the log, the miner, the JSONs all in here. Right click this section and Git GUI here. Now again, I'm not coming from a technical mind, I'm just coming from what I've done to make it work on our system. Hopefully you'll have the same results. So here, we're just going to create new repository. I've gone into browse, and I've chosen the just folder and the just miner folder, and then select folder. So it's already, I'm already in here, but if you weren't, if you were in pictures or downloads, whatever, find the folder you've saved your extract file into, go into the folder. So this is where I extracted my folder. I double click to go in, and then I select folder, create, and then we had this again. technically minded people, feel free to post below as to what the hell this means. But this is as far as we got, and then close that file. We'll see. I'm sure we'll all learn something in the process. He's up, he's awake. Right, so we've done the right click anywhere in the folder, wipe out and click GUI. I say the information or the setup guide below this video, I'll update that as to what I had to do further on. Open CMD as admin and type CD followed by the path of the folder of the source code. So, just miner tool here. Left click in here to open this up. Right click, copy and paste. This is the path or the root path to where we want to go. Then we want to go on to CMD, command prompt, right click your command prompt and run as administrator. That is quite important. Yes. Okay. So we're on so CD space and then just right click. Once you right click, it will automatically paste your link in. Just hit or check it's right, hit enter. Now you'll see that we are in the folder just -1.0. This is where we want to be. This is where we want to be doing our command prompts from. Now we've got npm install global production window builder tool. Quite simple. npm install space -- global space -- production space windows -build tools and wait for it to install. Right. We're going to go for this again. So I've had issues twice in a row. Let me know if you do. I'm not going to talk about what those issues are in case it's just a common file that I've got on both my computers. Let's play in the program up a little bit. If there is another issue, then I'll make another video about it and we'll go from there and see if people can solve what that is. See if brighter people than me can get an answer as to what it is. So we're just going to go through the motions again. So, excuse me. So we do CD, find our file path, jump in, hit npm install global production windows build tools, boom, and see where we get with this. Hopefully it'll think that it's not downloaded and it'll go again. Fingers crossed. So just briefly, for the first time round that I did this on both PCs, it gets to the Python install window here, and it says Python install, but then it doesn't seem to do anything. So you wait 7 or 8 minutes longer on the first time round, and it seems to be stuck on that page. Originally when it did that, all I did was delete the zip file. I kept the Git file and I kept the node miner.js. There we go, anyway. Install finalize. So I deleted everything, reinstalled it, reinstalled the zip file where I wanted to go, and basically just started from scratch. I missed the fact about the Git file in white here, that you had to click on Git GUI, create a repository, and then close the window. So I thought originally that was a problem, but maybe not. Like I say, hopefully it's just a common program which is blocking some aspects of it. But this time around I had to delete the Windows build file as well as Windows build tools file, which is a bit of a problem to even get to. So to do that, I had to open the task manager, find whatever app was running on it, close that down, delete the file, and then go back to the command prompt window and reinstall. So hopefully Be patient, wait, and it should sort itself out. Done. That's the good news. So that's what we want to see. So all the Visual Studio Build tools will be empty. Successfully installed Visual Studio Build tools. Python successfully installed Python 2.7 Windows Build tools. Lovely. So we are almost there. Next stage, npm install. Type npm install and wait. So we're still in the same root folder, just minor 1.0. And now this will do the npm install. Wait for this to download. Shouldn't take long. Not as long as the Python install anyway. So like I say, let me go guys. This is building the door. This is building from source code. The reason I had to build this from source code, reading Mr.Victorius had to do the same, is because we couldn't run the executable file that Manso and Aritz, I think, had built. Again, could be a firewall or program on our computers blocking it from coming on. I do a little bit of mining anyway, and I've had problems with mining files in the past where they're just not played ball for whatever reason. I've had to disable firewalls and enable some things, so, and delete different programs. I'll wait for the dog to start barking. So you might be able to just download the executable and run it. If you do, happy days, piece of piss. If you don't, you're going to have to do what we've done here. Build from source, get your zip file source codes, do your nodes, do your git file, download the npm or do the npm install global, do the npm install, wait for all this to finish. Once it does, it'll say install complete, something along those lines, and then we simply just run node miner.js. It's not a miner as such, it's just purely loading or reloading etherscan. So all it'll do is find the most recently mined block, from what I understand anyway, correct me if I'm wrong, but find the most recently mined block, take all the Ethereum addresses from that block, and then redirect them or scan them, whatever you want to call it, make them look at the JustPow token blockchain or smart contract that Manso and the dev team have created. So once we've done that with all 30 million wallets, then we'll be celebrities. Or P3D will be a celebrity, or Just Token will be a celebrity. It's ingenious. I think they're amazing. Well done guys with that one. Okay, done. That's it. Added 306 packages in 153 seconds. And then it brings us back to the root folder. So we're still in the same place. All we need to do is type npm install. Sorry, done that one. Node miner.js. And that should start up. Hit enter. Miner loading, targeting block. Boom. So right now we've discovered one of 151 on that block, and we've updated that address. So that address now knows that it has the JustPow tokens. Remember, every Ethereum wallet in existence has JustPow tokens in it. They just need the ability to be able to see that POW token. Once they see that POW token, they'll go, what the hell is this? They'll Google it, or they'll type pow.io in, best case scenario. I'll go on YouTube and see videos like this that have been made, or see videos of people going, what the hell is the Just token? Why are people selling it on Etherscan? I don't know, it's not worth anything. And then hopefully you'll redirect to P3D, and we'll get some people jumping on board, and we'll get some exposure from it. So that's it. So we're going to try the bat file real quick. So if we close this down, what's he said on the bottom here? Optional, create an automated script to start the miner with one click. So open Notepad and type cd. Notepad, desktop app, I'm going on a whim here, but he's got the option, so let's try it. So open Notepad and type CD, followed by the same path used before. So just copy, boom. In another line, type node_miner.js, node space miner.js. Hit save as and start type and select file type with others. So file, save as. I'm going to put it in the just file. We can change this as all files, file name, start dot bat. Another line, type no one there, hit save as and type start.bat and select file type as others. Save. That's what it says. Boom. See if it works. Would you look at that? Perfect. These guys just know how to do everything. Thanks for looking. Hit like. You don't have to subscribe, there's not much on it, but hit like if you like it. Masternode links down there as well. You all know what that does by now. Thanks for watching and hope you get on well. Let me know how you get on. If there's any issues, please do comment, join the Discord, or comment your questions in the down below, and I'll take them onto Discord and we'll go from there. Alright guys, I will see you soon. Thank you for watching. Ta-da.